So we have now learned that quality is fitness for use. I'd like to take you into a deep dive into the evolution of quality. I'd like to start by asking you to think about a craftsman. The craftsman that built the Taj Mahal, the craftsman that built the Madurai temples, the craftsman that built the pyramids in Egypt. What attributes do you associate with a craftsman? Creativity, imagination, understanding customer requirements, skills, and so on. I'd like to put a structure to the attributes. The craftsman understood customer needs. He translated the needs into features. He benchmarked the features and set product goals. These product goals had to be achieved through work to be done. We call it a process. Process features. He benchmarked process features and set process goals. The craftsman, his survival depended on doing brilliant work for his customers. The craftsman's reputation depended on excellent work, and this reputation, the branding, had to be carried through generations. So he had to optimize his costs and come up with a process that has capability. To me, the craftsman is the icon for world-class quality. So what happened to those craftsman-like skills? Came industrialization. In industrialization, work that flowed horizontally to the customer got divided into silos. These silos took names: purchase, operations, marketing. Ownership was given by silo. Planning was done by silo, and goals were established based on money. Came the First World War, and during the war, people who worked in factories were called to the battlefront. Factories were left with elders, and they had to run the factories with housewives and children. In those days, housewives and children were not so educated. In fact, they were hardly educated. So the elders did the planning, and the housewives and the children did the doing. These we called as staff and line. Today, the difference between the education of staff and line has vanished. The aim of quality management is therefore to break the barriers of the functions and to enable the line people to do their own planning. One of the most underemployed assets of an organization is the experience resident in the line people. What do we accomplish by this? We accomplish this that customers will receive quality that is fit for use. How does the customer measure quality? Or why does the customer come to you? Customer comes to you when they are satisfied, and satisfaction is a ratio of customer perception and customer expectation. The troublemaker here is expectation. Expectation is a moving target because the aim of competition is to nullify your strengths and raise the expectation levels of customers. So what satisfied a customer 1 month ago may not necessarily satisfy the customer now, although the perception continues to remain the same. That's what quality is about, basically. Customer, process. We need to control the process. We need to keep improving the process. We need to be achieving process performance that's faster, better, cheaper.